Welcome to Farewell Fridays at Gateway Bronco. This week's delivery is headed to Park City, Utah. This is an example of the quintessential vintage Ford Bronco, starting off with the uncut wheel wells and landing it on these stock steely wheels. Now this is a bright, bold color. It's called bold orange and it's an original Bronco color. In fact, we started off with an original Ford chassis. We then added modern conveniences like active ride control, a carbon fiber hardtop with push button freedom top. It even has heated seats. Let's take a look inside. Adding to the modern conveniences, we also have power window lifts with a vintage handle. It's just as easy as that. Now this interior is Castano Italian leather throughout, including a leather-covered roll bar. Add to that the freedom top with the push of a button and you've got a wonderful vintage vehicle with modern conveniences. This owner is an example of a referral that came from his brother who owns one of our Broncos, a Brittany Blue Bronco, and decided, hey, he'd like to have his own. He took a totally different look, a different vibe, and I think it turned out just wonderful. We are delivering dreams to driveways every week. If you'd like to learn more how to turn your dream into a reality, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining and let's take a ride together.